Hello student, today I will start a new topic that is addition of vectors. So tamane tumalokor keneke duta vector add koribo paru hetu aji ami pohim. So first thing, suppose I am taking here 3 points A, B, C are so chosen that AB bar and BC bar respectively represent A bar and B bar. So ami tinta point eneke lobo lagibo je ki kore AB bar and BC bar they represent two vectors. That means suppose I am taking a point like this. This is your AB bar. AB bar is represented by A bar. And another vector, how to choose? BC bar, right? That means the initial point of the second vector is B. So B and its direction may be different. Maybe suppose I am taking, this is your BC bar. This is represented by B bar. Okay, just a minute. Say here it is your BC bar. BC bar is represented by this B bar. Okay, then what is this? Then AC bar is defined as the sum or the resultant of A bar and B bar. Tamen tumalike jodi duta vector A bar and B bar, you are selecting two vectors having 3 points. ABC are 3 points. Then we are selecting two vectors A bar and B bar in such a way that the terminal point of the first vector coincides with the initial point of the second vector. Tamen tumi vector kita eneke loba jate first to jot end hoy, second to tar pora tumar start hoy. Then if I add them, then what to do? This you just join AC bar. Then it is represented by what? A bar plus B bar. So here I have written here, and this is called the sum or resultant of the vector A bar and B bar. Or you may denote it by, suppose, a new vector by C bar. Okay, so that's it. I have written here. If 3 points ABC are chosen, AB bar and BC bar respectively represent A bar and B bar, then AC bar is defined as a sum or resultant. Sum is also called the resultant of A bar and B bar, and it is written as C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, where AC bar is equal to what? C bar. And this will form a triangle. So this sum is also known, or this result is also known as the triangle law of vector addition. Tamen tumalke eneke bhabibo para, suppose ejon manu, a person start walking, and initially he is at the position A. Say that person from A he goes to B. Tamen eneke khuskahi goi B pale, and after that from B he goes to C. That means what is the total distance he travel? Tumalka manujone A pora B loi gol, B pora C loi gol. Asolote he kiman distance travel koile? A pora C distance to. So that is the resultant of the vector. Hope you understand it. Tumalke ta mane mon koriba jetia ami eta sum of two vectors, when you want to find out, you have to notice one thing, that is the terminal point of one vector must coincide with the initial point of other vector. Or will take kobo paru eta jot he hoise tar pora pisor to start hoise. Hobo to terminate tumalokor. Hope you understand this definition. Now you see, moi tumalokor etu diagram eta di dekhai disu tamane kenikwa hoy. Suppose tumalokor vector kita eneke ase. Say this is a vector A bar, and you have another vector, say this is your B bar. Now you want to add them. Ita tumi jodi eta add koribo khoja, tumi keneke add koriba? Tumi ki koriba? This vector you parallelly shift. Parallelly tumi yak shift koriba kole the terminal point of jikono eta shift koribo para. Either tumi B to shift kora, eneke shift kora jate A terminal jot end point, A end point to B initial pointer logot eke. Ba tumi A bar vector to eneke shift kora jate A terminal point to B logot eke. Tamane eta terminal pointer logot pisor to starting point hobo lagibo. Gotike moi eta kam koru ek moi parallelly shift kori diu. Tumalokor A vector to measure to mon koriba, etu measure. Etu hoise measurement, this length and this length is same. Aru moi direction parallel hoise hoyni. So etu jodi moi A bar bili ko, tene hole tumar ki hoy etu represent korile tumalokor A bar plus B bar. Moi tumalokor eta duta arrow mark kori disu just to represent that this is the resultant. Moi result eko karon nai de eta arrow dilo hoy. Moi tumalokor resultant bujabor karone eta moi duta arrow mark use korisu. Tamen tumalokor vector 2, this is a very important thing. So addition is possible only when the terminal point of one vector coincides with the initial point of the other vector. Okay. Etia yar pora ami eta result eta dikle mane conclusion dibo paru. Suppose to me a triangle consider korisa. Say you are considering a triangle. Say A, B, C is a triangle. And say three vectors. These are the place you are finding it this way. You want to find out the sum of the sides taken in order. Ekelogote tumi add koribo khujisa. Eta tumi ki paba hetu sama hasun ami. Tamane moi eneke add koribo khujisu. AB bar plus BC bar yar pora yale ahisu then C pora ele goisu. CA bar, the sides of the triangle are taken in order. Order mane eke dhone rotate kori disu. Order to maintain korisu. Etia moi hetu sum ulabo lage. We take your sum. Otike moi etu aru add koribo paru ba etu agote add koribo paru. Otike moi suppose AB logot BC add korilu. Tetia moi jodi AB logot BC add koru. Mor resultant to ki hobo? A pora C loi jam. Hoy ne? Ba enike bhaba par major nai ki hoy gol dhora. Eta add korisu. Thaki gol ki AC bar. AC bar tasot ako tumi gola CA bar. Ako by addition of triangle law of addition. AC aru CA add kora thaki gol ki A bar. So A bar mane ki butisu? A bar represent what? Initial and a terminal point are same. Jodi jote start hoise tamane tote shekh hoy goise. Tane he vector to naam ki asile? Obviously that is your zero vector. Tamane A2 hoy gol tumalkor zero vector. So yar pura ami eta important conclusion dibo paru. Let me write down that conclusion. Thus, when the, this is important for short question, when the sides of a triangle, are taken in order, then the order to kintu yate maintain hoise dei. Tamane ekadi krome ami ghuri goisu. Kromot ghurisu. Taken in order, then it leads to zero resultant. Okay, hope you understand it. Taman tumaloke jodi at a triangular sides for order maintain kora at a kromot ghurai dia eta hole tar pora ami ki pam hodai zero vector pam. Tamane moi akko ebar repeat korisu AB logot BC jeti add korisa yate tumi paisa na nai a point kita jodi eneke didu dhora A B C add korile ki thaki gol A aru C tamane initial or time last or first or tour initial point or last or terminal point hoy tene hole ami yar pora gom palu AB plus BC is equal to AC plus CA I had written akko eta jodi add koru ki pam AC plus CA akko e terminal major point eta nai kya hoy gol A bar which represent initial and the terminal points are coincide, so that vector is a zero vector. Okay, and from here I have given the conclusion that when the three sides of a triangle are taken in order, then that leads to zero vector. Okay, now let me start the next topic, that is your parallelogram law of vector addition. Generally, this is an important question to set in exam also. Generally, it is given like this: state and prove the parallelogram law of vector addition. So, tumalike eta parallelogram law of vector addition to moi prothomote likhi thoisu. Side wa, you have to remember this law and then you have to prove it. It is very simple. So, monot tumalike mukhosto koribo nalage. Tumalike monot rakiba keneke ami koru buji loba. So, what does it mean? Tumalike swa. If two vectors A bar and B bar represented by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. To me, duta vector parallelogram of law of vector addition. So to me, duta vector A bar and B bar eneke lobo lagibo jate ki they are represented by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram in magnitude and direction. Okay, then their sum A bar plus B bar is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram through their common point. This is very important, through their common point. Then tumalko mo diagram to aki disu, you will understand it. Tumalke ki koribo lagibo? You have to take two vectors. Say this is your A bar and another vector B bar. How to consider it? By two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Ita moi dhora eta A bar lulu and this is your B bar. Say this is OA bar and this is your OB bar. Right? So I'm taking these two sides. In such a way, they are represented by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Then we have to prove it that their sum Sum is represented by a bar plus b bar. Their sum is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram at that angular point. Hey, angular point to represent kora boli kobo lagibo. Let me complete the parallelogram. Ita tumalike swa, tumalike jana je a vector to jodi moi eneke thake ami we cannot add it, but amak add koribo lage. He kane moi ki kori etu parallel shift kori moi eneke eta line draw kori desu. Kori kori desu dei moi. To tumalukok moi eta line eneke kori dilu. So A2 tumalukok etu jodi A hoy, this also represent your B bar, say AC. AC is also represented by B because this magnitude and this magnitude are same and their direction is also same, so they are equal vectors. Moi parallelly shift kori dilu. Thik ekhe dhorone moi ki korilu A bar vector to parallelly shift kori dilu just to form a parallelogram. Etu eneke kori parallelly shift kori dilu. Then tumalukor A2 jodi C point to etu hoy, then this will be represented by A bar. হয়নে মই তামানে কি কৰিলু বি বাৰক প্যাৰালেলি শিফট কৰিলু আৰু এ বাৰক প্যাৰালেলি শিফট কৰি I just complete the parallelogram. এতিয়া তুমি সোৱা তুমি যদি এটোৰ লগত এটো এড কৰা OA plus AC, what will have? This is your AC bar, is not it? তোমালকে triangle law of vector addition অৰ পৰা জানা OA আৰু যদি AC এড কৰা তোমালকে কি পাই যাবা OC পাবা আকৌ যদি BA plus BC কৰা তেতিয়া তোমালকে AC পাবা মানে এটো তো adjacent side হৈ গল এতিয়া তামেন তোমালকে দেখিলা if A bar and B bar are two vectors represented by magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then their diagonal, their sum is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram drawn at that angular point. Hey point to তোমালোকৰ এই কৰ্নাৰ পইণ্টত কমন পইণ্টত হ'ব লাগিব. Let us prove it. এটো প্ৰুফকে মই লিখি দিও. সো এতিয়া মই কি কৰিলো প্ৰথমতে আমি vector kita dhori লৈছিলো ডায়াগ্ৰামত আকাৰ দৰে. Let OA bar is equal to A bar and I have considered the next is OB bar is equal to B bar. মই এটা vector ধৰি লৈছিলো হ'ব তাৰ পিছত আমি কি কৰিছো we have just completed the parallelogram. Okay, so complete. Let us complete the parallelogram. It I complete korilu. It ami swa since this is a parallelogram, we know the opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Hoy no hoy. He karone ami yar pora etu palu OA bar is equal to OA logot kuntu eke BC bar, this is equal to A bar and OB bar or logot tumi equal vector to paisa AC bar and that is equal to B bar because this is what reason is opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Hol ekan tumalke equal pala tumalke kintu mon kora de yate kintu state and proof buli ahe question to odike statement to tumalko parallelogram law of vector addition buli jodi ko state and proof statement to kintu dia na thake tumi nijor pora likhi proof to nijei koribo leg pari akbo. You can use your own language buji pale hol. So etia moi to add proof to koro. Proof is very simple. Moi A bar plus B bar hoy na hoy dekhai dibo lagibo. Moi ekhini mosi disu. So moi eta jodi A bar plus B bar AC represent kore na hetu dekhabo lage. So let us find out what is your A bar plus B bar. Eta A bar plus B bar e ki bujabo? A bar mane moi milake likhu. A bar ok jodi moi OA bar likhu. মই বি বাৰ টু এবাৰ OB বাৰ নিলিখো ঠিক আছে বা লিখাও যদি কোনো প্ৰবলেম নাই সোৱা আমি ইনিশিয়ালি দিয়া মতে এটো লিখিলো এতিয়া মই এড কৰিব পৰা কই কি কৰিলো OB ঠাইত মই AC লিখি দিলো তেতিয়া মই এড কৰিব পাৰিম আৰু তাৰ ৰিজাল্ট এটো কি পালো OC বাৰ হয় নহয় সো তোমালোকে এটা দেখিলা and which is the diagonal of the parallelogram. At which point? At O. So it completes the proof of this result. Statement proof of this what? The parallelogram law of vector addition. So these two laws are very important. One is triangle law of addition. So simple ami add kori dile hoy. Our parallelogram law of vector addition is also very important. Next class we will discuss the properties of vector addition and the rest remaining some few parts. Okay. Thank you.